The National Weather Service has issued a tornado warning for the following counties or areas: Pulaski County in southwestern Arkansas, Saline County in southwestern Arkansas, Grant County in southwestern Arkansas, Jefferson County in southwestern Arkansas, Garland County in southwestern Arkansas, Hot Spring County in southwestern Arkansas, Dallas County in southwestern Arkansas, Cleveland County in southwestern Arkansas, Bradley County in southwestern Arkansas, Calhoun County in southwestern Arkansas, Kewaukee County in southwestern Arkansas, Clark County in southwestern Arkansas, Montgomery County in southwestern Arkansas, Union County in southwestern Arkansas, Columbia County in southwestern Arkansas until 6:39 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 6:20 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, several reports of a tornado were sent from throughout southwestern Arkansas. Dangers include hail the size of a golf ball. Doppler radars on wheels have detected 70-mile-per-hour winds. Get to an interior room at the lowest part of your building and away from windows. Bring a hand-cranked radio with you for the latest information.